Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to AAA Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, I will show you how to download a Windows 10 ISO file and create a bootable USB drive using Microsoft's official media creation tool. This step-by-step guide is perfect for reinstalling Windows or setting up a fresh installation. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Microsoft Windows 10 ISO download. You have to click on the first link and go to the official Microsoft website for Windows 10. On this page, you will see an option to download the media creation tool. Here, click on the download now button. Once the tool is downloaded, go to your download folders and double click the file. After the tool starts, you will see the Windows setup screen. Click accept to agree Microsoft license terms. Wait a few moments while the tool gets everything ready. On this screen, you will see two options: upgrade this PC now. Use this if you want to upgrade your current PC. And the second one is create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. Select the second option, create installation media. Then click next. Now you will be asked to select the language, edition, and architecture. If you are unsure, leave the defaults or check the recommended option for this PC. Click next to continue. You will now be prompted to choose the media type. USB flash drive requires at least 8 GB of space. ISO file to burn to a DVD later. For this video, we are focusing on creating a bootable USB flash drive. Select USB flash drive and click next. Insert an empty USB flash drive into your computer. You have to format this USB drive. Refresh drive list. The media creation tool will detect it automatically. The tool will now download the Windows 10 ISO file, automatically create a bootable USB drive. This process might take some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. We have successfully created a bootable Windows USB drive using the media creation tool. You can now use this USB to install or reinstall Windows 10 on any compatible PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AAA Tech for more tech tutorials. Got any questions or want me to cover another topic? Let me know in the comments below. Jazakallah khair for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.